Today, we'll be installing MaxLite's Magnetic Retrofit Bar Kit, or MRBK Series. Before we get started, let's make sure we have the appropriate tools and equipment for the installation. We'll need a stepladder, wire strippers, wire nuts, installation manual, relamping labels, the included screws, and a power drill with a 1/2 inch hex head. We'll start by turning off the electrical power at the fuse or circuit breaker box. Then, we'll open up the troffer lens, remove the lamps and ballast cover. Disconnect the wiring and begin removing the existing ballast. Now we'll install the new driver into the luminaire where the ballast was previously located. From here, we can cut any unused wiring coming from the fluorescent sockets. As we begin wiring the bars, it's important to follow the wiring diagram schematic in the instruction manual and product data sheet. The wiring will be specific to the model number ordered and depends on the number of bars in the kit as well as the power setting. Insert the wires from the driver into each magnetic bar, red for positive and blue for negative. Once wired, use the magnets to place them into the fixture housing, making sure to leave room for reattaching the cover later. While the magnets are strong enough to hold the bars in place, we'll also want to make sure we secure them with screws. Before we begin closing up our luminaire, apply the included relamping labels to the fixture to let anyone who works on it in the future know it has been modified. Finally, we'll begin tucking the wires into the center channel so that we can replace the cover. Before closing the lens, restore power and test that the fixture is working correctly. Looks good! And that's how we install the MaxLite Magnetic Retrofit Bar Kit. MaxLite also offers additional in-field accessories, such as a motion sensor and emergency battery backup unit. If using these accessories, please be sure to install and wire them as per their instructions. Thanks for watching.